It is expected that the flagship camera phone Huawei P30 Pro will be presented in late February 2019 at the International Exhibition Mobile World Congress 2019 in Barcelona. A triple main camera with a triple zoom and support for 5th generation networks should be key chips. The first official mention of this model dates back to early September, when Richard Yu, executive director of Huawei Devices, made the announcement that the future P30 would be even better than the Mate 20 that is about to be released in the second half of October. According to preliminary data, the Huawei P30 Pro will receive the same high-silicon Kirin 980 mobile processor as the 20th Mate mentioned above. By the standards of the end of 2018, this chip is the most powerful solution for Android-based smartphones, but next year it will have to deal with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. Of course, Huawei has foreseen something for this case. So, the Kirin 980 can be retrofitted with a Belong 5000 modem, which will provide the P30 Pro with support for 5G networks. It is likely that the processor also has a small reserve for increasing the clock frequency. However, despite the positioning as flagships, not a powerful processor is the main feature of the P line, but the camera. It is expected that the Huawei P30 Pro will receive at least a triple or even quadruple main camera with a triple zoom without loss of quality, optical image stabilization and a powerful flash. It is not yet clear whether this will be just an improved version of the camera Huawei Mate 20, or a new development by a Chinese company. It is also expected to double front Alka with autofocus and consistent high-quality optics from the legendary German company Leica. Among other important features of the Huawei P30 Pro, you can note the fingerprint scanner built into the tap, already in Mate 20 Pro and Honor Magic 2, frontal 3D face scanner, Bluetooth 5.0, there is support in Kirin 980, the ability to install 2 SIM cards, where without it, the lack of a 3.5mm headphone jack and USB Type-C port. It is possible that the first working prototypes of the P30 Pro will appear in the manufacturer's laboratories only after the release of the Mate 20, when enough feedback data will appear. As new information about the future flagship of Huawei appears, we will definitely publish it.